So I was having a conversation with someone today, and we were talking about judgment in the home and how, people judge your home. They walk in and they make split-second judgments about what it looks like and what it means, and we judge ourselves, right? We're very conscious of who we want in our home. I am super conscious of who I let in my home. I've had dinner parties where people have confessed to me that the only reason why they came was to check out the organization in my house. I mean, ouch, man. Like, come on, I'm off duty. Join me off duty for a minute. But it's just human nature. People are curious and they want to know, and we can't help it. For the most part, people have these split-second awarenesses that come up. But what I want to talk about is it's fascinating how many of us don't want people in our own homes when they're not in a good place, when they're not in good shape. But I'm far more concerned about your experience being in that home, meaning that, yes, someone could judge you, and yes, there could be a stigma about how your house looks, but my thought is how do you feel when you walk in that home? That is 1,000 times more important than how I feel when I see your home, or your uncle, what he thinks when he walks into your space. How do you feel? What is it like for you to experience your home? Because first and foremost, you deserve a space that lifts you up and makes you feel really good. And yes, your home may need some attention, and it might need some work, and it might take longer than you have at this particular moment, but go to your front door, like right now. Maybe not right now, in like 30 seconds, but go to your front door and stand there as though you're going to walk in. Do the walk-in check. What can I change in this moment to make things better? What can I change so that it feels really good to me every time I step in this door? Maybe it's a vase of flowers. Maybe it's adding something to the space. Maybe it's removing something. Maybe it's finally taking those books to the library, or taking that pile of donations away to Goodwill. Whatever it is, see if you can spend even 20 minutes making an impact on your entryway when you walk in, because your experience is the most important thing that you can create and carve in your home. It doesn't matter what someone else thinks. I mean, the truth is, people are going to judge or think or do whatever they want. They're going to go home to their own house and feel judgment about their own space, or whatever they have insecurity about. The most important thing for you, though, is to figure out what you need in order to feel amazing in your home. So just take even 20 minutes right now, walk to your front door, look in. What does it look like when you first walk in? And what can you change? What can you impact right now to make a difference so that every time you walk in that door, you feel better, you feel good, you feel more on track? Because I promise you, when you ignite that, you are actually going to be able to access that getting organized space far quicker than if you feel daunted and overwhelmed every time you walk in the house. So just take 20 minutes right now. Do it. Yeah, that's all. Thanks.